Hey Ben, are you hungry, man? You charging up there?
Of course I'm hungry.
Here we go.
I'm good. Here you go.
For each. And you have to,
Got the Ben, the swag.
What's up?
Are you thirsty, man?
A little bit.
like, in front of everybody, or just sit down?
Look at the food is here.
Hand me one of them plates, please.
Food.
Oh yeah, pass it around.
Thank you. That's just a one counter.
And then I got that.
There's
You got that. I
lots
got
of
that.
stuff on it.
I'm feeling sad now. I'm feeling sad now. You know what? It's a perspective
Wait,
thing.
what?
Look how much bigger my pizza is than that one.
It's not the individual.
It's so much bigger. Y'all got such a smaller pizza.
Danny just got done having.
This says it all, how the meal was.
With Beau Jo.
All that food is gone. It's all
Is
gone.
there $3 sitting there that I can get back for your 2 or
It's all
3?
gone.
There
I
is.
didn't drink all this beer.
It'll be drink.
Okay, so I'll throw in my 30 there.
30. So we're at
I've had too much beer to be a good keeper of the
20,
check.
40, 60.
Some have been hosting his relatives over there. I'm hungover and that was funny. That right there was funny. I don't care who you are. Uh-oh.
Yeah, Loveland passed. No, this is cool.
Now we have to find some place to turn around. It's not light. Yeah, I see an exit down there. That's a pretty route.
Yeah, this is where I want to live. Right in here.
Awesome, man. Speed limit 30. For the trucks. Hey, there's a McDonald's.
A McDonald's.
Noise ordinance is enforced here, man, so don't be farting.
Hey, they got an old Chicago.
Moose. Looks like a car behind us. It looks like one of those houses. Multiple car looks like.
Wipers. Wipers, Gene. How do you like that?
I'm gonna have to put the defrost on.
Yeah. Oh, dude.
Slow it down, dude. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Slow it down.
He's gonna hit him. He's gonna hit him. He's gonna hit him.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, they knocked that scene out loose.
Yeah, block.
Man, you nailed that right there.
I got it. Come on, slow down.
Storm chasing at Red Rocks.
Hi, I'm Sarah Glenn, and I'm here to tell you about Red Rocks Amphitheater here in lovely Morrison, Colorado. This is a really great place to see a concert. I saw REM back here in '99, and I saw Phil Lesh and Friends in '99 also here. So it's a gorgeous place to see a concert. Do you want to pan around?
It's big.
Yeah, these rocks are so massive on either side. It's just incredible. Oh, that's 6.
Wonder how many people like to sit here. There's like a natural auditorium.
Yeah, I sat like maybe 3/4 of the way up over there for one of the shows. Then I was in the second row for another one.
Pretty massive those rocks are by using Ben as a comparison. What do you think about this, man?
It's pretty sweet. All you see in Chicago are piles of homeless people. Piles of homeless people. It's like I'm zooming into the hotel.
Yeah, it's downtown Denver right there, huh?
Zoom into the hotel, you get Steve Miller going through our fridge. Get out of here!